Hello friends, my today's video is related to chemistry and I am going to share a very informative video with you. And my topic is representing the elements on the orbit. So let's get started without wasting our time. And this is the Bohr's model of an atom with the three cells which you are watching on the screen. And in the center, which is dotted like a structure, it is the nucleus, and nucleus consists of neutrons and protons and all the electrons are located in its surrounding orbits. Now what are these? Electron are a type of subatomic particle with negative charge, and proton are a type of subatomic particle with positive charge. And what is neutron? Neutron are a type of subatomic particle with no charge. So now I am showing you a table. This is the table under which name of the element with their symbol, atomic number, number of proton, number of neutrons, number of electrons and their valences are given. You have to firstly learn this all things with sequence. If you will not learn in the sequence, then it can be problem for you. Likewise, you can see that this atomic number, number of protons and number of electrons are according to the position of the elements. So it will be helpful for you. Only the thing which you have to learn is in the sequence and number of neutrons and all these things. Now firstly, we are going to locate hydrogen, helium with number of electron 1 on the orbit. So let us locate it. So we have made the orbit with the nucleus and with only one shell, because as I have shown you that number of electrons hydrogen have only 1, and which we have made is K shell. Okay, and number of electrons which you can locate in K shell is maximum 2, but we have only 1 number of electrons, so we will locate it. And now it is the representation of the hydrogen. Now I am showing you the formula by which you can find that how many numbers of electrons can be represented on the position of the orbit. And this is the formula. This 2n square, where 2 remains constant and where n is the orbit number or energy level index, like 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the position of the orbit, K, L, M, this all. And now how we can find first orbit or K shell? 2 into 1 square we will do, because 1 it is the position of the K shell, so it is 2. And second orbit L shell will be 2 into 2 square and so on. Remember one thing, that 2 will be constant everywhere. Now let us locate this chlorine on the orbit, which has number of electron as 16. So let's get started. So this is the orbit and this is the nucleus, and as I have told you, the number of electrons of chlorine, which is it is 17. So 17, how to locate it? On the first orbit, as I have told you, you can locate only the 2 electrons. So we will locate the 2 electrons. And second orbit you can locate maximum 8. So let us locate 8. And on the third orbit we will locate the remaining, which is 7, so that all the electrons can be located on this orbit. So we have located this. So similarly you can locate all the elements on the orbit according to their number of electrons. So if you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe. And the important things in this video which I have shown you, you can just note it down by pausing the video, or you can just take the screenshot. Thank you.